Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the OBS Studio into your Windows. So OBS is used for screen recording and it is just free. So on how you can download that into your Windows, just like mine, I'm using the OBS Studio. So on how you can download that, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open the web browser. So I'm going to open the Edge browser. So you just need to simply click on that under the best match. In the search bar, simply type OBS download, hit enter, and you'll find this option from obsproject.com. Click on download OBS. Scroll down and you'll find this one. So OBS Studio supports Windows 10 and 11. So you just need to simply click on download installer and the installer file will be downloaded. So we are just going to wait for this in a while. Okay, so let's just wait for it. So it's from obsproject.com. Now once done, you just need to simply click on it, and then you have to close the browser. Click on next. Now, OBS Studio is already installed in my Windows. So in your case, you just have to simply continue on the next Windows for the installation of the OBS Studio. And after that, the OBS Studio will be installed into your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.